Hey creators, still wasting whole days trying to sketch a simple social post or presentation from scratch? Today, I'm showing you a direct path to deploy the ultimate Canva desktop client with all premium design assets completely unlocked. Let's get it moving. Let's hit that download link on our platform right now to get the installer. The moment you open the file, the sequence swings into action, pulling down the latest Visual Suite engines and template frameworks straight to your drive. Let's fire up the application for the very first time to check our workspace. We are launching a quick test document just to verify that the template sidebar and element tracking respond instantly with zero lag. The entire design ecosystem is calibrated, verified, and completely ready to crank out premium visuals with zero restrictions. Head over to our webpage right now to grab your installer package and start creating like a pro.